Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio without having to reach 10,000 followers, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open TikTok and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Edit Profile and then tap on Add Bio. From here, just paste the link that you want to be shown in your profile. Once you're done, tap on Save in the top right corner. Now when you go back to your profile, you'll find the link right here, but it is not clickable. To add a clickable link, go back to Edit Profile and then choose one of these options, Instagram or YouTube. I chose to add a YouTube link, so I go ahead and tap on it and then I link my YouTube channel to TikTok. Just like that, tap on Authorize, and then when I go back to my profile, I find the clickable link right here next to Add Friends. And that's how we do it, guys. Now you can only add YouTube and Instagram links when you have less than 10,000 followers. Once you go past that, you can add more links. And that is it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.